going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Hacker in the Shop. And in this video, I volunteered my truck for a little GPR. Now my truck is beat up with a bunch of hell dents, paint's pretty much shot, so it was the perfect candidate to do this. Although I am still trying to figure out how that dent got in there. That's irrelevant. But the point of this video is to show you guys how quick we can move metal and get these vehicles into paint in a timely manner in a production setting. Because you know that old saying, I could have had that thing in paint by lunch? Well, with these two kits, I believe you. Check it out, guys. So as you can see, guys, we got us a pretty nice gap in between that flare and that bedside, so we got quite a bit of metal to move. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this flare, then I'm going to go ahead and get my buffer and buff the panel. And honestly, you don't have to buff the panel every single time. Me personally, I like to buff the panel. I like my air to be as clean as possible when I go to start my repair. Then we're going to go ahead and of course start with the first C of the process, and that is clean, using our 99% isopropyl alcohol. And also wipe down your tabs and centipedes as well. Next, we're going to move to check. We're going to check our panel temp and our ambient temp. It is really humid in here today, so we know that there's going to be humidity and moisture in that panel, and also on our tab. So we're going to heat the panel up to 120 degrees, and then we're going to flash our tab. And after we've done that, we know that the humidity and moisture will not play a factor in our repair. The next C is choose. So I'm going to choose my curved centipede, a blue flexible material, along with the K-bar. Now the fourth C is going to be coat. We're going to make sure that we get enough glue on those tabs to coat it completely. Make sure it is smoking hot as well. And then we're going to repeat this process with the super tabs, and every time we make a pole, we're going to move into the fifth C, and that is correct. So we're going to make a pole, and then we're going to correct the damage. Make a pole, correct the damage. For the rest of the repair, I'm going to go ahead and use my 25mm tab body adapter. This adapter, as you can see, has a bar through it, which will allow you to get poles without the adapter sliding off the tabs. And once my temps come down to 85 degrees, we are ready to make strong poles. Now I'm just going to go through and start correcting some crowns and highs using my blue slappers with the KECO body hammer and my blending hammer. Right here is the Black Swan with the R4 and pivot tip, which is awesome for correcting highs and crowns. So I overpulled just a little bit on this one, which is fine because the KECO Level 2 kit comes with all the tools that'll help you correct overpulling. So you could take this repair even further than I did. So with a handful of poles, we could literally get this repair in the paint in no time at all. And once again, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions about how you can establish GPR in your collision shop, you can reach out to me personally, or you can find us at www.kecotabs.com, where you can also schedule a 1-hour demo with me where we can discuss the kits, we can discuss the products, and we can show you a product demonstration. So guys, like it, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more Hacker in the Shop.